Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. And today we are checking out Jobright AI. And honestly, this is not just another job board, it's more like having an AI career coach because it helps you find a matching job, improve your resume, discover missing skill, and even prepare for application. So let's see how it works. So first go to any browser and search Jobright. Now now click on try for free and then you can sign up with the Google. Next, you have to add all the details. So in job function, I selected backend engineer, full stack engineer, and Java engineer. I can select all job type and now click on next. Then you have to upload your resume. Now click on start matching. Now you can see it found more than 6,000 roles. And now even you can filter. Now you can even filter them out. So I can select mid, entry, and confirm choice. And it's also showing the match score. So for example, for support engineer is 73% match, and for software engineer at Mastercard is 83% match. Like in okay, now let's apply for one of this job. So I can go with Mastercard software engineer. Now you can enable to autofill or you can do manually. So I'll just do autofill. Now you have to add all your personal details, education, work experience, skill, and now you have to add all your personal details, education, work experience, and skill too. Now another important step is you need to install extension. And now after you add all the details, now we can just apply with autofill. Here is showing my resume is a very here is showing my resume score is very low and is likely to be filtered out by ATS. And now I can click on fix my resume. Now you can see all these skills are missing from the keyword. So I can select all just to match the ATS score. And now click on generate my resume. Now you can see my score is jumped to 9 from 4.5. Now I can apply for the job. Fine. Okay, now let's apply for another job. So this time I'll go with this one, support engineer, and apply with autofill. And now I just click on autofill and you can see it will fill all the details here. And now you can see it fill up all the details here. And now you just have to click on submit application. Now you can see the application is submitted. It also has some other useful tools such as the interview preparation and resume builder. So that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.